The КС95 CASABLANCA confectionery display case 1144-1444 mm long assembly. Unscrew the top panel of the package. Unscrew the side panels of the package. Unscrew the front and the back panels of the package. Warning: there are the front and the side windows at the back of the display case. Warning: there are the sachets on the display case. Remove the display pallets from the rack. Warning: inside the display case there are accessories, lights, racks, shelves, metalwares. Install the display pallets having removed the protective film beforehand. Unscrew the 4 M12 bolts. Screw in the 4 M12 adjustable supports. Remove the display case from the pallet and align it with the adjustable supports. Remove the bumper and the front decorative panel. Install the racks with the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws, 2 pieces per rack. Tighten the racks to the side panels with the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws, 3 pieces per rack. Install the bumper and the front decorative panel. Attach the shelf brackets to the racks with the 8 M6 to 16 combi screws, having removed the protective film beforehand. Warning: screw the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws to the top brackets without tightening them completely. Install the lights. Tighten the 4 to 16 self-tapping screws on the lights. Insert the connector into the light. Protect the wires by installing the case into the rack. Install the side windows with the 6 bushes and the 6 M6 to 16 combi screws. Install the shelves with the 4 bushes and the 4 M6 to 16 combi screws. Warning: do not tighten the M6 to 16 combi screws completely. Protect the wires by installing the case into the shelf brackets under the window. Tighten the M6 to 16 combi screws completely to the shelves. Install the front window with the 4 bushes and the 4 M6 to 16 combi screws. Install the top window. Install the sachets, having removed the protective film beforehand. The КС95 confectionery display case now is ready for use.